Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. So today we're cleaning the rear brake pad of the Benelli Imperiale 400. And I also want to say that I'm the one who edited the last video and it was so bad. The music was so bad and there was watermark. So I know the video was bad, so we're remaking it. So it's coming out, so you guys should watch it because it's way better than the last one. So see you guys in this video. Bye! So first we're using WD-40 on the bolts. There are like 3 bolts on which you're using WD-40. Now we gotta remove it. So first, we're taking a spanner and then we're removing it. You should just loose it. You don't need to remove it. Just loose it a little bit. And then remove the other bolts. As you can see right over there. That's done, and after removing that, you should remove the other one right there. Now it should just come off. As you can see, it just came off. Now you just gotta remove the other bolt. That's done. Now we should be able to remove it. As you can see, it came right off. So as you can see, it should just come right off. And now, it should just come right off like that. So that's one. And the other one. The same way, it just slides off, as you can see. And that's how you remove the brake pad of the Benelli Imperiale. This is the rare brake pad, by the way. Now we just need to brush it a little bit. Make sure there's no dust. Now we're good to go. Just wiping it out a little bit. Now we gotta place them back. As we removed, it should just slide back in. But before that, you should clean the brake because there might be some dust or dirt. So you need to clean that. Should just slide back in as we removed it. As you can see, it just slides back in. It's no hard work. The other one as the same way. Should just slide back in. Now we close it. bolt everything back in. As you can see, the first one we removed. We bolt that one back in. Tightening this spanner so that it doesn't get removed. Okay. After we do that, we should just be able to put it back in. And then do the rest of the tightening. Align it back in. Now take the bolts and place them back. So you can see the other bolt which we took, we're placing it back, tightening it, taking the other bolt and tightening the other part. Now we take the the screwdriver, and then we tighten it. Now the other part. Now we tighten that part, that bolt. We should tighten it, and then okay, now we're tightening it. Make sure that every bolt is tight.
Okay.
Oh, that's that. Now just clean it. And no. As you can see, the brake just works fine. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did like the video, smash that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. And if you subscribe, it will be really helpful for us, as we're just beginning the YouTube channel. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.